How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lamp out of these shed antlers you've been finding in the woods this spring. Few easy steps, pretty simple project, and something fun to do here when it's cold outside still. So I went ahead and I super glued little dots on the points of contact just to get it together. I mean, the hardest part is kind of just figuring out your orientation of your antlers. One of the most important parts is you want to have this antler pretty near the center. That way your lampshade is in the center, obviously, of the antler group. So I'm going to go ahead next and I'm going to drill some of these thicker points of contact, and I'm going to put a pin with some glue in that just for some extra support, and then we'll drill the top and run the cord, and pretty much it. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is take my marker. I'm just going to put a little mark right about there. Is where I want to start my hole down. Now, being that my top antler curves up like this, and I'm doing this with 4 antlers instead of, most people do with just 2, but I have a bunch of them, so I figured I'd make a cool one here. The way it curves, I'm just going to drill straight down through here, and then the cord is going to run in between. You're not going to really see it. It's going to be behind this antler. So instead of drilling at an angle down through here, just it seems like it's going to work out better like this. So I'm going to mark that, and then starting with I'm going to start with just a 3/16 inch bit, holding on here. Kind of going to start at an angle. Slow again, and then just nice and slow, straight down through. Alright, now that I've got my hole drilled and cleaned out here, take my hot glue gun. I'm going to go all the way around this area here. Just kind of position that, hold it straight for a couple seconds. Pretty good. Take a little extra glue and put it around that edge just to make sure it's secure. And bam, you have yourself an antler lamp. So put the cord back down through. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Antler lamp finished. Just gonna put the top on, put a bulb in there, and reattach the plug. we got some light. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.